Bitcoin trading for beginners. 3 reasons why Bitcoin is going higher in 2024. Today we're going to talk about why Bitcoin jumped, and if you have Bitcoin, you can become a citizen of this country. Which country is it? And we're going to look at Bitcoin news and how much higher Bitcoin can go up in 2024. Bitcoin is now over 42,000. So year to date, it's jumped over 153%. So that means your money is more than double if you invested Bitcoin at the beginning of the year. So that's good news. Within 1 month, it jumped 16.54%, but it dropped a little bit. It just pulled back. It's very, very normal. So it might be a good time to look at Bitcoin as a trading or even investment. The last 5 years, Bitcoin dropped to 16,000 after the bull run in 2021. Then it used to be only 3,000 in 2019. So every time it dropped, it's higher than before. So if it goes up this time, it might be higher than 64,000. You know, the peak it was 64,000, over 64,000. Let's look at Ethereum, and we're gonna look at other cryptocurrency as well. Ethereum is up 86% this year to date. It's already over 2,000. And the last 1 month is jumped 14.26%. And the last 5 years, it used to be $134, but it hit the peak, then it dropped to 1,000 plus. But you see, even the drop is higher than before. So Bitcoin and Ethereum could be speculative. I usually suggest to put only a small portion on your portfolio, but that small portion can turn out to be big gains as well. Speculative, good for trading, a little bit of investing. Talk about Bitcoin in this video. 3 months ago, September 11, 2023, it was only 25,000. So if you calculate it, it's over 72%. So gain since my last video. So the reason why Bitcoin jumped was because I made the videos. Okay. Number 3 reason Bitcoin gonna jump is because SEC could approve Bitcoin ETF. SEC means with BlackRock for iShares Bitcoin ETF. So that's good news. If it approves BlackRock, it has to approve other Bitcoin ETFs as well. So because Bitcoin regulation is not so certain, it's uncertain. So a lot of institutional investors, the billionaires, they don't want to invest in Bitcoin. But if they approve ETF, so that means that SEC is pretty sure about Bitcoin regulations and rules. So if regulations and rules are more certain, a little bit clearer, so lots of institutions will be more comfortable buying Bitcoins in billions of dollars. So lots of billions of dollars gonna pour into Bitcoin ETF. They do not buy Bitcoin using wallet, but they prefer to buy Bitcoin using ETF. So that's why ETFs is good use for Bitcoin price action. And reason number 2 why Bitcoin could jump in 2024 is Fed holds rate rallies indicates 3 cuts coming in 2024. So if the Federal Reserve cut the interest rate, 3 cuts coming in going down, then it's easier to borrow money. Remember, the higher interest rate, the more expensive to borrow money to trade Bitcoin. So the margins interest rate gonna be lower in 2024. So lots of people are gonna be buying Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, speculating Bitcoin. So you don't want to be the last one to buy Bitcoin. So if you want to get started, the link is gonna be down below. You can get free Bitcoin as well. And reason number 1 is really important. It's halving. The next Bitcoin halving is gonna happen around 23rd April 2024. So what does it mean? It means that the supply is gonna be reduced, and also the rewards that Bitcoin miners get gonna be reduced. So once supply is low, when the demand is high, what happens? The price goes up because lots of demands chasing the few supply. So it's very important that we must get in earning in Bitcoin as a trading. I don't want you to put so much of your money in Bitcoin. Consider it as a casino money. You go to casino, consider it lost. So only then you should invest or trade in Bitcoin. This is not a financial advice, but this is for entertainment. You can take the entertainment and see, hey, you know what, Bitcoin could go up. Let's put some money. It's just like go to casino. And so these three are very, very important reason. So let's look at some of the coins. Bitcoin is the dominant player. Second one is Ethereum. Binance is stay here. XRP is stay here. Solana, USDC, Cardano, Avalanche. Yeah, the top 10 position hasn't changed much. And Polkadot, Chainlink, Polygon. Yeah, Tonquai is new. It's pretty new. Shiba Inu stay here. DAI, likewise. Bitcoin Cash, Cosmos. So the top 20s are, most of them are the lasted for a long time, and you can see all the new coins down below. So I prefer to look at the top 20, so because they have a history, track record, so probably good for trading and probably maybe a little bit of investing. And Bitcoin and Ethereum draw over 19.7 billion inflow echoing past bull run. So lots of people are pouring money into Bitcoin now. So that's why it jumped over 72% since my last video. And how much could Bitcoin go up? There is one speculation that Bitcoin can reach 1 million in days to weeks because of spot Bitcoin ETF approval. But remember, could it be by the rumors and said the news? One Bitcoin ETF is approved. Could it drop? Nobody knows. But one thing for sure is that there will be a lot more demand coming in. Even if it drops right after approval, it could just be temporary. That's my opinion, my professional opinion for cryptocurrency. So I have Bitcoins and not so much of other coins. Ethereum, yes. So yeah, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I believe it could go up probably 100,000, minimum 100,000 this time. 1 million, not so sure. But even if it goes 100,000, your money doubles in 1 year. If it happens in 1 year, double in 1 year. That's pretty good return. You can use this money, this profit to invest in stocks, or use stock options or invest option, whatever you like. And there's one country that you can buy citizenship with Bitcoin. If you make profits in Bitcoin, you can become a citizen of another country, dual citizen, multiple citizen, and you can also get passport to travel around the world. It is El Salvador. El Salvador became the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. Now it's offering citizenship for 1 million investment. So if you invest 1 million in Bitcoin in El Salvador, you could get a passport right away. And you can become a dual citizen, or you can hold multiple passport. I believe it accepts multiple citizenship, dual citizenship. That's what they are offering. So yeah, it's a good publicity. And plus, if you make profits on Bitcoin speculations, then it may not be a bad idea to get a dual citizenship, second citizenship, or third passport to diversify. In case anything happen in your country, you can live in another country. If you just join this live, you can share this video on your timeline, Facebook timeline, that you can rewatch from the beginning to the end. Yeah, so these are my predictions. This is my opinions. So Bitcoin could go up. 3 reasons why Bitcoin is going higher in 2024. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you want to check out more videos, you can go to my YouTube channel and click on playlist, and you will see Bitcoin cryptocurrency right here. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next